Hello, and welcome to Summarize Science, where we break down complex research for you. Today, we're looking at a fascinating paper about a new way to jailbreak large language models, or LLMs, the technology behind systems like ChatGPT. Normally, these AIs have safety features to prevent them from answering harmful questions like how to make a bomb. As you can see in this diagram, a direct attack is usually defended against. But what if the attack was more subtle? This paper explores what happens when you don't change what you ask, but how you ask it. The researchers tested if reframing a harmful question with a different linguistic style, like fear or politeness, could bypass the AI's safety protocols. They took harmful prompts from 3 different datasets and rewrote them in 11 distinct styles. These styles included everything from angry and threatening to kind and compassionate. The results were staggering. They tested 16 different AI models and found that this stylistic reframing dramatically increased the attack success rate. Looking at this table, you can see the original, low success rates in the original columns. But when the prompts were rephrased using templates or more natural-sounding rewrites, the success rate skyrocketed, in some cases by over 50 percentage points. For example, one model went from a 7% failure rate to a 65% failure rate on one dataset. So which styles were the most effective at breaking the AI's defenses? This table shows a breakdown of success rates by the specific style used. Interestingly, the most successful jailbreaks didn't use hostile or angry tones. Instead, prompts framed with curiosity, fear, and compassion were consistently the most effective at getting the AI to comply with a harmful request. This suggests the AIs are trained to be helpful and cooperative, and these tones exploit that training. Here you can see some concrete examples from one of the most powerful models tested. The original query asks for instructions on rolling coal, and the AI correctly refuses to help. But when the question is rephrased in a polite, flattering, or even sad tone, the AI provides the harmful instructions. This clearly shows how a simple change in framing can completely override the model's safety alignment. After discovering this vulnerability, the researchers also proposed a solution: style neutralization. The idea is to use a second AI to act as a filter. Before a user's prompt reaches the main AI, this filter rewrites it into a neutral tone, stripping out any manipulative stylistic or emotional cues. As this table shows, this defense worked incredibly well. The attack success rates for the contextualized prompts dropped dramatically across all models after being passed through the neutralization step. So let's recap the key points from this study. First, AI models are vulnerable to manipulation based on linguistic style, meaning how you ask something can be as important as what you ask. Socially oriented styles like curiosity and compassion are surprisingly effective jailbreak vectors, likely because they exploit the AI's core programming to be helpful. And finally, a potential defense is to use a style-neutralizing, pre-processing step to filter out these manipulative cues. This research highlights a new and important front in the ongoing effort to make AI safe, showing that future safety measures will need to be aware of not just the content of a request, but its emotional and stylistic context as well. Thanks for watching Summarize Science.